feet here. Put in your hand and do it yourself. Okay, where are you? Say hi guys. My name is Mia. All the time. I'm not shy. Hi guys. So this is Mia. Look, I don't care about nobody. So what are we doing today, Mia?
Shopping for my shoes.
Shopping for your
Shirt shoes.
shirt shoes. Okay, so tell the guys who you are.
My name is Mia. My full name?
No. Are you shy?
A bit.
A bit?
Yeah.
Okay, want to tell them about your outfit of the day?
Yeah.
Tell them.
I'm wearing my gray girl shirt.
And what else?
And I'm wearing my blue skirt.
Okay guys, so we're stopping for shoes, so I'll let you see more of what we're doing today. But I hate to vlog and shop, it's so difficult, so I'll see you guys later. Say bye, Mia. You like that? You like everything?
I like each and every shoe.
What?
Each and every shoe.
Yeah, where are we now? So where we are? Where? So what we're gonna do here? Tell them. Okay guys, so we're at the bowling alley. Mia wanted to come here. I wanted to sleep honestly. So we're going to do bowling and we'll give you that this video is probably all over the place. I'm so we're doing so much right now. I'll let you guys in more of what we're Look at her. How fun is it playing by yourself? Look at her. A sore loser. Mia, you have 1 minute. Hey, it's finished. So you won. Come here. How does it feel to be a winner? How does
It feels awesome.
Look at your face. Tell us again. Okay, I told everybody that you're recording. Is that stimulation or something? You don't want to get something to eat first? Because we're coming from. Oh, what you going to know?
So good.
Thank you for the menu. So guys, look at the menu. It's like a bowling pin. Yeah. So you can have that. So we're gonna have some food now, and we're still at the bowling alley. They have a little lounge area where you can go eat and stuff. So that's what we're doing right now. I probably should not be doing this because normally me don't mind it, and it normally be a little bit of food for so much money.
Mommy, do you want
But
the
I'm hungry,
side?
so I don't really have a choice. So we're gonna just get something here.
Mommy, do you want the side or the nuggets?
It's what you want. I'll get something. Just pick what you want.
It's so hard to choose. I love both of them. So
So guys, I'm just gonna go through the menu and see what I want. Talk to you guys. Just placed like our order. That was so hard. There was a lot of yummy stuff on that menu. Oh man.
And I love them. I wish that I could have each one and everyone for free.
You wish what?
I wish I could have each and everyone for free.
Mia literally wants everything on the menu. And you know the crazy thing? I would get her everything on the menu if I knew that she would eat it, because this girl don't eat no food. Tell the truth.
I eat a lot.
I'm excited. You know guys, excuse the way how we're looking tonight. We literally didn't plan to come here. It's a spur of the moment kind of thing. We were out shopping and then Mia decided that she wanted to go bowling. And I don't think I've ever taken her to this place before, so I decided that I was just gonna do it, spur of the moment kind of thing. So we're here. I thought I would be looking raggedy, but I'm not looking so bad for the environment, so I don't feel that bad. Yeah, so we're just waiting on our food. Oh, guys, can I tell you something? Okay, when I come to a restaurant and I order the food and I have to sit and wait literally 15 to 20 minutes to get the food well tasted. I mean, especially, you know, you're coming to a restaurant, so you're not going to eat much, you're going to come with they do. They always bring you the juice first. So I got like a regular strawberry daiquiri, and Mia got what's that? She got a lemonade.
Frozen lemonade.
Yeah, she got a frozen. That's what we're having. Daiquiri's really good. Like, I'm impressed. Daiquiri's really good. It's not so bad.
Eyes so open. I look very weird. This hair looks like the girl at school when her hair is on. They got a little pen over there.
I tell him I do off.
But then it's a lemonade.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did. Yeah. A nice little piece of lemonade. Like that. Nothing. I know everything. I know the whole word.
You see it's lemonade? You don't have. So guys, Mia said she wanted to taste my drink. No, I did put a little rum in it. Was that mommy? I tasted the rum in it. Oh my god, that's all for you, girl. You're not even going to eat quarter. Okay guys, so the food is here. And Mia is having fried chicken, swirly fries. I want pancakes. I think pancakes. I'm having jerk pork with like some potatoes and some salty vegetables. So we're about to grub. So I'll talk to you guys later. Yay! Like it? Time to begin. Okay guys, look at my plate. That means I think they give us a lot of food. And I'm sorry, but like I don't know if I can handle it anymore. And we love eat and I can't handle it. Like I think this is too much. But it's full?
I'm going to burst.
Huh?
I'm going to burst.
That's a lot of food. It's like each meal is like for two, not for one. It's too much. Wow. And Carol was thinking I was gonna get a little bit of food. It's just too much. I feel like I'm flying to the food.
I'm fighting to keep my nose and don't make it go fat. Because when you say, when your stomach has too much to eat, it gets really sick.
That's it. Okay, guys.
No. It's not. It's what I learned at school.
Guys, we're about to leave Jam Zone. Yeah, enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
So we'll probably go home. I'm probably gonna go out tonight, guys. I'm not sure yet. It all depends on how I feel when I get home because my belly is stuffed. Look guys, I have the socks on. I never come out with the socks on. When we went to do bowling, we had to wear socks with the shoe. So I ended up leaving my socks on. I still have it on. Yeah. So we're about to leave Jam Zone as I was saying before, and I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I may go tonight to the clubs or something because there's not really anything much going on tonight. Yeah, but if I go out, you guys will definitely be seeing that as well. I did enjoy myself here at Jam Zone. The food was good. I enjoyed my daiquiri. Daiquiri is one of my favorite drinks to have, like when I go to restaurants and stuff. Yeah. So it is here now, and we're gonna leave. That's my job.
I'm about to see the place.
So we're leaving now.
Eh?
Yeah man, it is good enough. I like it. Actually, I'm gonna look for someone new for start carrying me because there's so little bit, no much place not here for carry kids. So when you find a little one spot, you have to jump on it. Huh? Yeah.
Oh. Actually, yeah, always hear me talk to her for and actually just come.
Oh. Alright.
And you not talk to me more?
So you don't want him to talk to me? Boy, yo. Sure. Okay guys, I'll soon talk to you guys. I'm gonna head in the vehicle now. You don't want him to talk, boy, yo. Only good women get talked about, you know. Sure. Oh, God. I tried back, but it's not gonna work out because Wayne got his radio playing and all that ish. Alright, so we'll go back there. We'll go back to the apartment. So I'm trying to prop this thing up, but
That slide off.
it ain't working out. How do they do this?
That slide off, Lisa.
Oh my God.
Vehicle for jerk it down. Dashboard.
Yeah. I don't even know what's about. Okay guys, what's up? So I've been feeling really happy lately. I don't know if it's the weather, it's Christmas and everything, and yeah. I always feel weird vlogging with people. It's weird. I'm gonna try this again. So So we're in half a tree at the moment, just running some errands, trying to get shit done, trying to get shit popping today. Hi Neville! Yeah guys, so we just came from looking at the place. It keep doing the park thing. Yeah, but there's been so much going on. I'm trying to move, I'm trying to do a lot. So that's the reason why you guys haven't been getting any content videos really, because I don't have any time to do so with my work and everything else that has been going on. Haven't been able to do any content videos, but while I'm running around I try to take the camera with me. So this is why you guys are getting more vlogs opposed to content videos. I want to opposed to content videos. Where? Hi Sean. Yes. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, so now we're going to check out a store. I'm trying to get I don't want to talk about that, but I'm trying to get something in the store, so I'm gonna look at a few items. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I'm done with that. Okay guys, so I'm just coming coming from the bookstore. I went to get some Jesus. Okay. I went to get some stuff to do some project for me at school. And no, I think I'm gonna go to a furniture store to check out some stuff. Yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later. Look on my face, Alien Greasy. Need some power to apply some. chat with you guys in a minute, and that's really because I've been so busy, and I love my chit chatting. I love when I can sit and talk with you guys, and I haven't been able to do so lately, to break down a lot of what has been going on. I feel like things have been moving so fast in my life, and I just haven't had that time, you know. But if you guys have not checked out my Hot Wings Challenge video on my channel, please go ahead and do so now. I'll leave the link to that video in my description box below. You can always go and check that video out. That was a total fail, guys, but it was funny, so I still use that video there, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Well, what else? Yeah, just a lot has been going on. The weather here has been it has been raining a lot too, so that's another factor. That's another reason why I have not been uploading any videos, because it has been raining here, and normally when it gets rainy in Jamaica it gets cloudy and dark, so I don't have a lighting. I need to invest in a lighting, guys, so that even when it rains I can shoot video. But because of that too, I have not been shooting because the videos are really dark. But I kind of like the weather. It's cool, it's not so hot anymore, and I'm enjoying that. I mean, I don't know, I kind of feeling the Christmas spirit this year. Is anybody else feeling that spirit? I've kind of been feeling Christmas this year. I haven't felt Christmas in a long time, but for some strange reason this year I'm kind of feeling the Christmas vibe. Yeah, so that's what's really been going on, guys. So I'll talk to you guys later. I don't know where Wayne is taking me at the moment. I'm just going along for the ride. Yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I'm home now. Oh my god, I'm so tired. It was a long ass day. Oh my god, the day was so long. After I move and I get myself settled again, then I'll go back to the long vlogs. I know most of you like the long vlogs, some of you not so much, but yeah, I gotta please all y'all people. Now I have been seeing the comments. My love wanna make me feel this, wanna make me feel good, and make me feel motivated. Thank you guys. Been seeing a lot of familiar people names coming back into the comment section. It just lets me know I'm growing like a loyal people. Hey, I appreciate your comments, your opinions. I keep telling you guys, if there's anything you want me to talk about, any kind of even advice videos, if you want to see me do that, if you want to see me do those type of videos, if you want to see me do whatever it is that you want to see me do, just let me know, guys. Like, I appreciate your feedback and your comments and what you have to say, because I can only grow with you guys. Yeah, so definitely make those suggestions, guys. Trust me, I read all your comments, I read all your posts. I try to reply to all the comments as well, because I do appreciate each and every one of you. I see that my subscriber is going up slowly but surely, but trust me, all if 2 people might watch my video, I'll still be making content, because I appreciate you guys so much. I want to say something before I go to. I want to say big up to Petite. If you guys don't know who Petite is, Petite Sue Divinity, then you're probably living under a rock. She is one of the more popular YouTubers here in Jamaica. I would say more successful YouTubers in Jamaica in terms of her drive, I mean, she's just crazy. She's just awesome. Like, I love Petite. She has a vlog channel as well as a main channel where she shows all her makeup artistry skills and stuff like that. I watch everything she posts. Like, I'm a true fan of Petite. I met her before. I was in one of her vlogs too a long time ago. I was featured in one of her vlogs. Yeah, let me not stray from what I was saying. So I reached out to Petite a while ago, and basically I was telling her from the time that I met her that I wanted to do a YouTube channel, but that I wouldn't start until I could get a good camera to do so. Yeah, and that was a while back. So I reached out to her recently, and I was telling her that I started the YouTube channel, and I would appreciate it if she would just give me some tips and suggestions on how to grow and to better myself. I do understand that it takes time and it takes work. I would have appreciated any tip she would have had to give me in terms of bettering myself on YouTube and stuff like that. I mean, and you can genuinely tell she's a kind soul, because I mean, she did take the time and effort out of her day to watch my videos and give me feedback, and just that just shows what kind of person she is. I mean, I really love genuine people like that. I mean, I appreciated that so much. Maybe for her it wasn't a big deal, but for me it meant so much coming from her. Like, she did message me back with all the little tips that she thought I would have needed, and all the little things that I could have done to like improve and better myself. Like, yo, I really did appreciate that, because not much YouTubers at her level would have done something like that. And as I say, it really goes to show like what kind of person she is. So if you guys don't know Petite, just check out Petite Sue Divinity. I'm gonna leave her name right here on YouTube. Trust me, she has crazy vlogs as well, family friendly vlogs too. You guys can definitely check out her videos. She's awesome. And Petite, if you're watching this, big up yourself, big up yourself. And if you guys check out her channel, just tell her I sent you, you know what I'm saying. But big up yourself, Petite, you're a real girl. Me appreciate that. Yeah, but a lot has been going on, guys. I mean, I'll be in a new environment soon, because I'm moving in a couple of days. So like, my place right now is like a total mess. Is it just me, or have you guys ever known that you were gonna move and it just seemed like the minute you know you're trying to move, it's like you don't care about your old home anymore? You're not trying to do nothing. You're not trying to clean. You're not trying to that's just me right now. So this place is a total disaster, because I know I'm moving and stuff. And I'm excited too, because I've been apartment hunting for like 3 months, guys, and I was not successful at all. Finally I did find a place. It's not really 100% to my liking, but I can work with it. It's good. You guys would probably had seen the clips prior to this conversation, or I don't know, but because this video is probably all over the place too. I don't know, but yeah, that's what has been happening, as I was explaining to you guys earlier. So you guys realize though, I've been putting out so much vlogs, and that is even coming as a surprise to me, because I initially planned that I was gonna put out 1 or 2 vlogs for the month, and I realized that for the month of November I probably posted like 3 vlogs, and I'm like so impressed with myself. I'm like, hey girl, go girl, pop your collar, do your thing, girl. But yeah, I've been having some other ideas as well. I've been thinking of doing more challenges, like more YouTube challenge videos on my channel. I did the hot and spicy wings challenge before. I was telling you guys about that earlier. If you have not checked it out, link in my description box below. Check it out. Yeah, definitely leave your likes and comments and tell me what you think about the video. What was your favorite part? Yeah, I be seeing your comments. Yeah, I appreciate them. Yeah, I do. Yeah, but that's what's been happening. I'm thinking I'm gonna end the vlog here, because I really haven't been doing much, and I'm not just gonna be jumping from November straight to the end of December. I would rather just close off this vlog right now. Thank you guys for continuously tuning into my channel. Thank you guys for doing what you do, watching my videos, liking, commenting, just loving your girl. Yeah, I appreciate it. I'll be seeing you. Mwah. Love you guys, and probably the next time you see me, I'll be in a totally different environment, setting, I think, hopefully. Yeah. Love you guys.
Black Beatles in the city.